Olive oil is a type of oil derived from the fruit of the olive tree, which is a classic Mediterranean plant. Cooking, beauty treatments, fuel lights, and medicine have all benefited from olive oil. Due to its high quantity of monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants, olive oil is considered a healthy fat. Olive oil's antioxidant concentration is extremely beneficial in protecting the body from free radicals, which cause cell damage. Extra virgin olive oil, which contains more antioxidants than other varieties of olive oil, is recommended for getting the most benefits from olive oil. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, 1 tablespoon of olive oil has a lot of nutrients, according to Medical News Today. Olive oil is a form of healthy oil that is beneficial to one's health. Olive oil has a lot of nutritious and antioxidant content, thus it has a lot of advantages. Following are 9 olive oil benefits. 1. Lowers cholesterol levels. The first advantage of olive oil is that it lowers cholesterol. In patients with high cholesterol, replacing saturated fat or animal-derived fat with olive oil can lower bad cholesterol or LDL. Olive oil's effects can also help to raise levels of good cholesterol or HDL, which is important for heart health. Other healthy oils, such as canola oil and virgin coconut oil, provide similar benefits to olive oil. 2. Defend against free radicals. Antioxidants abound in olive oil. These antioxidants can also help to lower the chance of developing chronic diseases. Olive oil's antioxidants can also aid to reduce inflammation and prevent cholesterol from oxidation. 3. Stroke prevention. The third advantage of olive oil is that it helps to avoid stroke. Olive oil was the only source of monounsaturated fat related to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke, according to a major assessment of data involving 841,000 participants. Consuming olive oil was found to be useful in lowering the incidence of stroke in another study involving 140,000 people. 4. Alzheimer's disease prevention. A chemical found in olive oil was found to be capable of removing beta-amyloid plaques from brain cells in mice. One of the reasons of Alzheimer's disease is plaque buildup. 5. Lower your chances of getting heart disease. Olive oil's antioxidant concentration is extremely beneficial in lowering the risk of heart disease. This is due to the fact that olive oil has no cholesterol or saturated fat, thus it does not build up in the blood vessels. Olive oil can relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation in blood vessels due to its antioxidant content and beneficial fatty acids. 6. Maintain a healthy weight. The Mediterranean diet, which is directly linked to olive oil consumption, has a good influence on body weight. Olive oil consumption was found to have no effect on weight gain in a 30-month trial involving 7,000 Spanish students. 7. Keep your intellect in good shape. Olive oil's advantages are also critical for preserving brain health and function. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help to prevent brain illnesses including stroke and dementia. 8. Skin moisturizing. Olive oil has the ability to lock in skin hydration. As a result, it's frequently used to treat dry skin. Olive oil can also be used to moisturize dry hands, skin, and feet. 9. Male impotence treatment. Olive oil improves male sexual performance, according to a study involving over 600 males. Olive oil promotes circulation and maintains blood vessels healthy, leading in greater erections. A balanced diet that incorporates a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil and nuts is reported to lessen the severity of existing impotence. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.